a scavenger machine. So basically, if you have a vehicle that comes in and does not pass the contamination of the refrigerant, you know that it's a contaminated what's in the vehicle, you cannot put that refrigerant into an AC machine. So you need to be able to pull that refrigerant out of the vehicle. So this is basically just going to allow you to pull the contaminated refrigerant out of the vehicle into this tank. It'll be a holding tank, and then it'll just store in there. You have another vehicle comes in, and you just continue to put any contaminated, and then you'll just dispose of the tank. So recovery only.
Recovery only. And this one?
And this one is also a scavenger system. It's going to come with the tank and hoses. It does not come with the roll cage. It does not come with the manifold gauge set. So a lower end version, but it'll do the same thing.
Without that. And
this is a sparkless 6 CFM vacuum pump.
For your A2Ls.
Yes. And this is our Black Max Series dual manifold gauge set. It'll be for 134A and 1234YF. Technicians love this with the spiderweb boot and the decorative tin that it comes in. And then this is our Spot Gun Junior 1 ounce cartridges, 2 for leak guard, 2 of UV dyes, and 4 of our universal oil. It can be used for YF or 134 hybrids and electric.
Hybrids and electric.
Yes.
And you have electric in, which one's your electric?
It's all universal.
Oh, universal. Okay.
It's a universal kit. So the dyes are universal.
Okay. Do you know if they're solvent based or oil based as a carrier for the UV dye? Got it.
Is the YF, so the oil, is that oil based?
Or solvent based?
Or solvent based?
I believe they're solvent based.
Solvent based. Okay.
If I'm not mistaken, yes.
Okay. All right. And you said this is the leak stop?
It's a leak guard.
Leak guard, leak stop, whatever. Yeah, okay.
It's
All right.
one shot, so it's going to have some dye.
What do you mean by one shot? The whole thing goes in there?
So it's going to do, it's got AC extend dye, plus it's got leak guard in it. So you can do the dye and leak guard in one shot. So no, it's basically going to be, a couple pumps of this.
So how much quantity of this goes into the vehicle, per vehicle?
You can do roughly 4 vehicles.
4 vehicles, okay. So this is the quantity in here. I'm looking for 1 ounce. Okay, 1/4 ounce. Okay, all right. All right, thank you very much. Oh, the machine. Yeah.
This is our dual AC refrigerant machine. You can do 134A as well as 1234YF. It's about a 10-minute switchover. The machine will walk you through the process. You've got the tanks and the filter and hoses back here. It'll walk you through, disconnect, add the different tank and hoses.
So you swap out hoses every time you do a different refrigerant?
Every time you switch over from the refrigerants, yes.
Okay. And what is the clean out? What's it using for cleaning out the internal lines?
So it's going to purge everything from the lines into the tank before you switch over.
So is it using a clean refrigerant to clean out the lines before? I mean, you could pull out but what about the residue oil that's inside the lines?
It's just sucking, so it's creating a vacuum and it's sucking everything through.
Okay, all right, thank you very much. And this is CPS?
CPS,
and
UView, and Motorvac. We're all one company.
CPS,
UView.
UView.
That's like the UV product.
Right.
And then Motorvac, we're also Motorvac, which is transmission, coolant, brake, power steering, fluid exchange machines.
And your contact information is? Oh. And there's contact info. I always get asked for this, so I might as well show it on the video. All right, guys. And you're heavy duty.